with me on a day trip to Tallinn, Estonia. So it's only 2 hours away from Helsinki.
I wish you a really nice voyage to Tallinn.
That I heard in days I was acting with
I know, right?
Jatketaan kesäaiheella ja näissä kun toinen kesä.
Yes. We are on the leaking line.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if
Guides in hand, we are ready. Yes?
Hey.
Yes. Yes? Yes. First mission. Find somewhere to eat.
For the atmosphere. This is still unfinished.
Thank you. Ooh, and they smell nice.
It's not like spice, but it's spicier than yours.
It's like about the same, I think.
Yeah. And then they warn you, it's super spicy.
Yeah, and you can clearly see apple coffee.
Okay, this food is like actually amazing.
I'm speaking like that.
No, don't say yes.
tourists for a day, right? With other tourists. Looking at buildings, because buildings are interesting.
I have to give him one.
And on my right, we have my baby. Visit Estonia? Yes. Is it very touristic? Yes. Am I having a lovely day? Yes. Do I love the cameraman? Yes.
Go there. For a second.
So on the memory lane, I got to learn about the history of Estonia. It is really interesting that their history is also put in a memorable way by having it on the footpath, which was interesting for me. And I definitely recommend for you to walk down memory lane and also learn about the history of Estonia.
Why? Yonder. Why? It's a land of entrepreneurs.
But why can't I?
This is what you see when you take your last shot.
So unfortunately, we didn't get to try the terrace in this restaurant. We had sent the reviews that you can see the view of Tallinn from their terrace, and it was so exciting. Unfortunately, it was closed. We shouldn't have been taking our 10k steps a day seriously, because tell me why we missed our first boat. Like, it was so hilarious, but it was okay because we got on the next available boat, which is also good because we really at this point just wanted to get home. We were exhausted, it was hot, etc, etc. Don't be like us, be on time for your boat. For real, I think my inner child was at its peak on this boat because I truly enjoyed the magic show that this woman put up. It was so interesting. I was in disbelief. I was like, every time, how is she getting to do this? I was just a kid there, like the other kids. It was so interesting. So the good thing about the cruise ships, you get entertainment. Sometimes it might not be like all exciting and all interesting, but when we have gotten on the cruise ships, they have been interesting. So this time was the first time we got to see a magic show, and it was fun. It was really fun. Like, this woman put up a good show.
Hello everyone! Minun nimi on Magdalena, tämä tässä on Malle Hampala. Ja nyt me lämmitellään meidän taputusta kyllä. Mutta pitääkö pukille antaa vettä? Ai! Nalle, we have forgot the water. Me unohdettiin se. Nää on kovin huonossa hapessa koko joukkue. Sitten meni. Nyt on hienot Mal, kato! Schöne Blumen, ihania kukkia. Tämmösiä. Ja minä nämä nyt menin nyppimään. Ei olis saanut. Tehkää se kerran vielä uudelleen. Do it once again, please. Et taipua. Antakaa itsellenne isot aplodit. Ihana. Maljakkoon tälle maljak.
And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.